So lads, we've left Manila and now we're in Dasol. So we're up. To the sunset. Ourselves a driver for the next 9 days, yeah? We're traveling in style, mate. Aircon, leather seats. That's how we roll. Very cheap. For 9 days, I'm paying about £430. Everything included. This is what you can get. So we're on our way from Manila. We're going to Pangasinan, Dasol. 7 hours from now, but it's worth it. From this. To the beach. It's Tom I've ever seen. I know that's 2 hours in, we're well out of the city now. We're starting to see the province. Things are starting to look a lot greener. Pangasinan. 4 hours into the journey to Pangasinan. Things are a lot different. Look at this place. Here's the local fire station. And there's the police station. Ah, check the Evo. Dasol, Pangasinan, on the outskirts of the province of Pangasinan. We are going to a place called Balin Manok. Manok meaning chicken, and maybe Balin stands for Balio, because the roads there are crazy, mate. Like a Esau chicken intestine, mate. These roads are left, right, up, down. To get here, it's crazy, mate. But you know, it's about 6 hours from Manila. I'm not sure if this is our room, but there's 8 of us.
Oh my god, 4, 6, 8. Just move to a different one.
Yeah. This is where me and my family is going to stay for the next 3 days. 23,000 pesos, which is probably about 300-400 quid. There's 8 of us, so I don't want us all in one room, so I've got 2 rooms. So lads, we've left Manila and now we're in Dasol. It's dark at the moment, so you can't see the sea. Past them coconut trees is the sea. My van for the next 9 days, with driver, sat there, joining in, sipping his gin. That's our driver. Look at that van, sick. There is our van. Here is the rooftop. Here is my brandy. Come on now. Villa Balin Manok, or BMK, is where we're stopping. So I just wanted to show you in the morning, yeah, obviously you couldn't see last night, but we're stopping at the Balin Manok Resort, Dakota 2. And just look at this road on the way in, like just the entrance, yeah, just to get from the entrance to the beach is an adventure in itself, mate. I mean, what a place to have a bit of land. There's a lot of touristy places here within the Philippines. You know, you've got to see Boracay, you've got to see El Nido, you've got to see. There's many tourist places which can be a bit hectic and quite packed. So I recommend, if you've already done all of that, or if you just want to chill out before you go and do all that, and you want somewhere relaxing to spend a few days, I swear, by Dasol. We have the whole beach to ourselves. As far as the eye can see, it's just us, my family. This is where I'm living for the next few days at least. So this is what it's all about. At the beach, coconut trees, got the Bud Light. If you want to stay here, a massive range of rooms. I mean, you can go camping, you've got lodgings, you've got nip huts, scuba huts, villas, and maybe a lot cheaper if you're camping. But if you want a room, the prices range between 3,000 18,000. So you can get a contemporary room, about 3,000 peso, 2 people max. Or you can get the farmhouse / cottage, 5.5 thousand peso. That sleeps up to 6 packs, up to 6 people. Or you can get the studio cabin, which I believe we got, about 6,500. Sleeps up to 8 people. You've also got the studio villa, 8.5 thousand. That sleeps up to 10 people, 10 packs. So what I did, I got 2 rooms side by side, so we had space. There's my baby boy. There's Ivor, my baby. Ooh. So you've got your lodgings, your nipple huts, your kubu huts, your villas, your camping. It's all there. If you come around the back, we're cooking. And this is where the magic happens. You've got the food being prepared. Say hello. It's not a bad life, to be honest. Got your coconut, baby. Got your coconut, baby. Good boy. This is how we eat in the Philippines. Oh, sarap. Sarap.
Bella to. Walang itak.
Bloody hell, so we ran out of fuel on the jet ski. We've fell in, dropped the fuel. Okay. Okay, sige, teamwork. To the sunset. Strong legs, but let your legs move up and down, okay? With it. That's how you jump. So this is the shop. There's not much, but we get what we get. I'm gonna get some brandy, some pulutan, some munchies. Let's see what there is today, eh? Hello! This is what there is. How are we? I'm just working at the shop. Brandy, 2 Sprite, 2 big bottles of Coke. Yeah, dos. Got the barbecue on the fish. Fish barbecued. We have pork, banana leaf, calamansi, soy. Oh, that's a lot of rice. Now that's a pot of rice. In here we have a fish soup from earlier, pulutan, crisps, dips, and
Mama.
and a few drinks.
Mama.
Tapos kuha ka malunggay, damihan natin. Masarap yun. Bili lang tayo ng kamote down. Kamote.
Hey!
Almost 1,000 kilometers.
He's coming down. He's coming. He's coming home. He's
Shot.
Yeah, let's have a shot. Hey. Yeah. That's the drone. See that light? Right there. 1,000 meters in the air. That's ridiculous, bro. Oh my God, I know Bayan. Oh, I hope it gets back. It's coming back home. Baby, come back. In the air, 1 kilometer in the air. Can you imagine that? Ready? Ow! Oh! Oh! Ow! Bloody hell!
Yeah. That is the
Enough.
enough.
Look over. Look. Look. So we got a burley today to get some shrimp. Straight to the fisherman, 6 AM. Buying octopus. We're about 6 hours from Manila. Dasol is the province of Pangasinan. Big producer of salt. Population around 31,000 people, which is quite small. I mean, this place is one of the lower populated places. You can tell you're in the province right here. Tambobo beach, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, which is where we get all of our squid and where all the fishermen are. To make a quick pit stop, as a driver seen the malunggay tree, and let me see if I can say this right, the bunganang malunggay and the hongnang malunggay, which is the fruit and the leaves of the tree, which is going to go nice with dinner. 6:30 AM. Squid for breakfast. Rice, octopus, and then, as you can see right here, the barbecue ready now.
What is dowling?
Oh, look at them eyes.
Where is dowling? Oh, tama lang. Oh, this one for the good taste.
Vegetables.
Yeah, this is the partner. Shirley. Mugan. Adobo.
Adobo pusit.
Ayun na kayo.
Yeah, where is the water? Yeah.
Going to find a boat to bring to the hotel, and I think there is one right over there, look. For 300 pesos an hour you can rent a kayak, but for 900 pesos you can have it for 3 days, so living the dream. Today I'm just exploring all the coastlines. So beautiful here, so peaceful. So it's been nice relaxing here, but time to pack my boat Drink my gin. Absolutely beautiful, secluded beach. When you want to get away from all the high life, all the tourists, all that crazy stuff, and you just want to chill out for a few days, I really highly recommend coming in. This has to be one of the calmest, most relaxing places I have ever been to, and everything is on the beach. So this is Osmena Point Beach Resort. Just exploring all the resorts in Dasol, where we are at the moment. They're all they really are beautiful. I mean, you can stop in places like this, you see. Got your own little area. This is your, you sleep in there, obviously. There's your chill out area. Very nice. Oh, back to the boat. Well, it's been 3 amazing days in Osmena Beach Resort. We say goodbye to this place because today we go to 100 islands in Pangasinan. We're going to stop one night to do some island hopping from one island to the other, boat trips, that sort of thing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave any comments if you want to know anything. If I missed anything, just let me know, and click this video if you want to see the 100 islands, my next journey.